YouTube, Scott Off-Road. How you doing today? Well, we're back working on the Haiti Jeep, kind of chugging along on this. Kind of where we're at. Was driving around the other day and the brakes locked up on the front end. Kind of sucked. So we're turning the rotors right now as we speak. The local O'Reilly's got new brake calipers and new brake shoes to go on it. So basically everything will be done in the front. All right, we got the rock hard front bumper installed on the XJ going to Haiti. That was pretty darn simple. Got freshly turned rotors getting ready to go on. And we got new calipers and new shoes. So we have got this thing just about buttoned up in the front. I'll adjust the rear brake here in a few minutes, but let's get this going. Much easier everything goes together with new parts. There we go. So front end, just to recap, new adjustable track bar from Rusty's, new tie rod ends all the way around, new long tie rod, lifted springs from Rusty's, extended brake lines from Rusty's. O'Reilly's was the front axle U-joint, unit bearing, ball joints, brake calipers, brake shoes, turning the rotors. Front stabilizer, front shocks, also from Rusty's, part of the lift. Lower and upper control arms with bushings. This thing is put together and done. I'll bleed the brakes this evening. As we're walking through on this side. Things we still need to do to this. I got a new switch to put in the driver's door to control the windows. I think the old one went bad and was causing some issues with other windows and the doors not to work. I just ordered a new hatch for the back of the Jeep today. I'm pretty optimistic. I'll let you know when that comes in and give you the rundown on that. But as of right now, that's looking very promising. Tune-up needs to happen. Like I said, when it hasn't ran for a day or two, it's hard to start. That's not good. Other than that, front bumper's on. I got to do the back bumper yet. I don't know that I'm going to get froggy enough to jump on that today. It's getting kind of close to the end of the day. Well, that's weird. Calipers have 2 different size bolts in them. Other than that, it's just some cosmetic work, I think. I'll go through their list of complaints. I think I've got everything adjusted and done that was on it. It's got some rust on the fenders, or on the rockers I'd like to take care of. But I don't know. It's going to go to a buddy's house. He used to own a muffler shop, Brad. He's going to put a new muffler in this for us and adjust the tailpipe that is dragging, and that will be a lifesaver. That'll save us some money, and then it's going to go to Zig's 4x4 here in Grand Island, where it's going to get the front upper control bushings replaced. I don't have the pneumatic hammer to pound the old one out. So those will be taken care of, so that'll be the last of the bushings and everything to get replaced in the front end. The company I ordered the hatch from also had the rear bump stop that I need to replace. So that will be nice, getting that taken care of. They're also, Zig's going to take a look at the power steering for me and see what he thinks is the possible culprit for the lack of power steering. And then rims and tires. Oh, brakes are on. Bonus, bonus! Well, next up we're doing the front and rear differential. We're showing you the rear right here. The fluids looked okay, but want to get them fresh fluids in there. We'll change the fluids in the transfer case yet. Then we went ahead and ordered a skid plate for the fuel tank from Rock Hard. We got a Rock Hard front differential skid. We'll get those put on in the next couple days. The Jeep's Zig's right now getting some work done to it. Mufflers put in, so we're getting this thing close to being buttoned up. The wheels just came in today, the tires are in the shop, so hopefully next week those will go on. The new hatch should be in next week, so we can get that in. Once that's all done, we should be just about it. Do a tune-up. Did the windshield wipers in the front here, they were shot as you can see. But that's where we're at. Have a blessed day.